Hey everyone, Rich here with Aces and Eights Firearms. What I wanted to show you is a new product from Cominolli for their manual safety kits. Just like the video that I have posted, I don't know, a few months ago, 6 months ago, something like that. Everything is exactly the same internally. Everything still works the same whenever the thumb safety's on. Can't squeeze the trigger, you can still cycle the slide, you can still put the magazine in, still locks it back. Drop it. Whenever you take it off, that's when it'll go bang. The only difference between this, what it is they're calling it a tactical lever. And basically what it is, it's nearly twice as long and it's a lower profile than what the standard level is. Standard lever. Here is the standard lever. I'll try to get it where you can get a comparison as far as the length. So like I said, everything is exactly the same. Internally, just the lever itself is a different profile. In my opinion, Cominolli manual safety kits make Glocks so much safer to carry. I know there's a lot of people out there say that Glock wasn't designed to have a manual safety on it. True, but if you don't want one, don't buy one. I don't care. It doesn't make any difference to me. I'm telling you my opinion. As with all Cominolli products, they're all 100% made in the United States. So if this is something that you're interested in, give us a call, shoot us an email, check us out on Facebook, and thanks for watching.